The Aero's 850mm P-51D Mustang is a stunning scale warbird that brings the classic look of the World War II fighter to life in a compact RC model. With an 850mm wingspan and durable EPO construction, it's built to handle the skies with confidence. This model comes equipped with a powerful brushless 2212 1300 kV motor, a 30 AESC, 4 responsive servos, and pre-installed vector flight stabilization, giving smooth, steady control and making it a joy to fly. The Mustang is available in 2 versions, the PNP, Plug and Play, for around €197 to €215, which lets you use your own transmitter, receiver, and battery, and the RTF, Ready to Fly, for about €243 to €260, which includes everything you need to take off right away. With realistic scale details, working navigation lights, and a flight time of 6 to 8 minutes on a 3S 1300 mAh battery, it's perfect for intermediate pilots who want both style and performance. Eye-catching in the air and fun on the ground, the Aero's P-51D Mustang is a thrilling choice for anyone looking to enjoy a classic warbird experience in a manageable, easy-to-fly package. The Blackhorse Pilatus PC-21 ARF is a stunning large-scale model that brings the sleek, powerful look of the real turboprop trainer right to your backyard. With a wingspan of 1,962 mm, 77.2 in, and a strong balsa and plywood construction, this model is designed for both realism and impressive flight performance. It comes with electric retractable landing gear and a detailed cockpit, so you can easily add your own engine or electric motor, servos, ESC, batteries, and a 10+ channel radio system. While it's an ARF, almost ready to fly, kit that requires careful setup, the effort pays off with smooth, responsive handling and a truly scale appearance in the air. Perfect for intermediate to experienced hobbyists, the Blackhorse PC-21 rewards patient builders with a standout model that looks amazing both on the ground and in flight. Whether you're flying at a local field or showcasing it at an event, this kit delivers scale realism, performance, and satisfaction. Priced around $1,650, it's a top choice for anyone looking to combine the thrill of RC flying with scale modeling excellence. The E-Flight Airbus A320neo twin 64mm EDF is an amazing RC jet that brings the thrill of flying a real airliner right to your backyard. This scale model is packed with details that make it look and feel like the real thing. Its twin 64mm EDF fans, combined with 6S LiPo battery compatibility, give it impressive speed and vertical performance, making it fun and exciting to fly. Realism is taken to the next level with LED lighting, working flaps, and retractable landing gear, giving you that authentic airline experience. Despite its large 60-inch wingspan, the A320neo is built from tough EPO foam, so it's durable and handles surprisingly well in the air. Whether you're taking smooth, level flights or pulling gentle maneuvers, it feels responsive and balanced. The model comes in 2 versions, a plug-and-play option for around $550, or a BNF, Bind and Fly, version with AS3X Plus and Safe Select for about $620, perfect for pilots who want more control and stability features. This RC airliner is ideal for intermediate flyers looking for a mix of scale realism, performance, and pure flying fun. The E-Flight Micro Scrappy 800mm is a tiny bush plane that packs big personality. Inspired by Mike Patey's custom backcountry designs, this microscale RC plane brings the thrill of off-field flying to your backyard or local park. With an 800mm wingspan and a factory-installed brushless outrunner motor, it can run on either 3S or 4S 300 mAh LiPo batteries, giving you smooth cruising or even exciting vertical climbs. The Micro Scrappy is loaded with realistic features that make it stand out. It has working flaps, bright LED lights, oversized tundra tires for rough terrain, and a steerable tailwheel for precise ground handling. These details not only look great but also make it capable of handling grass, dirt, or gravel strips. Thanks to AS3X stabilization and optional Safe Select, even intermediate pilots can enjoy confident, stable flights without worry. Priced at around $220 for the BNF basic version, It's a lively, fun RC plane that's perfect for anyone who wants a taste of backcountry adventure in a small, manageable package. The E-Flight GBR-2 1.0 meters RC airplane is an exciting tribute to one of aviation's most legendary raceplanes. With its striking golden age design, it perfectly blends classic style with modern RC performance. The model features a 1.0 meters, 39.4 in wingspan, a powerful brushless outrunner motor, a Spectrum Avian 70 AESC, and 4 precise digital metal geared servos. This setup gives the GBR-2 agile and spirited handling, making it a joy to fly while maintaining impressive scale detail right out of the box. It's available in 2 main versions, B and F, bind and fly, with AS3X Plus and Safe Select for around $330, or PNP, plug and play, for about $260. Both options deliver responsive flight and a commanding presence in the air, capturing the essence of the original racing legend. While it's extremely fun to fly, the GBR-2's sportier performance makes it better suited for pilots with some experience rather than beginners. If you're looking for a plane that combines history, style, and lively flying action, this RC airplane is an unforgettable choice for your collection. The E-Flight SNJ-5 AT6 Texan 1.5 meters is a stunningly detailed scale warbird that brings the classic trainer aircraft to life with modern RC technology. With a 1.45 meters, 57 in wingspan, this plane is built for solid flying performance, featuring a powerful Spectrum brushless motor and a 70-amp Smart Light ESC. It comes equipped with functional flaps and retractable landing gear, making it look and feel like the real thing in the sky. Whether you enjoy sport flying, scale flying, or aerobatics, the SNJ-5 AT6 delivers versatility and excitement. It runs on 3S or 4S LiPo batteries, giving you plenty of power for smooth, controlled flights. The B&F basic version includes an AS3X Plus receiver with optional Safe Select technology, which helps stabilize the plane and makes it easier for intermediate pilots to fly confidently. Priced around €370 to €380, it's a fantastic option for anyone looking for a classic warbird with realistic scale detail, reliable performance, and a fun, rewarding flying experience. Perfect for hobbyists who want both style and substance in one impressive aircraft. The FMS 800mm Beaver is a super fun, beginner-friendly RC plane that perfectly combines the charm of a classic bush plane with easy-to-handle flying. Its 800mm wingspan and lightweight design, around 250 grams, make it simple to control and forgiving for new pilots. Powered by a 2S brushless 2315 kV 3850 motor, it offers smooth, stable, and predictable flight, making it ideal for beginners or anyone looking for a relaxing flying experience. The plane comes with fully functional control surfaces, including ailerons, elevator, and rudder, all powered by digital servos for precise handling. One of its standout features is the tool-free, quick-detach wings, which make assembly and transport a breeze. You can choose from different versions depending on your needs and budget. The PNP, plug-and-play, version costs roughly $130 to $150, while the RTF, ready-to-fly version with a built-in gyro is around $190. Both options offer excellent value for a durable, fun-to-fly trainer plane. Whether you're taking your first steps into RC flying or just want a relaxing, easy-to-fly aircraft, the FMS 800mm Beaver is a fantastic choice. The FMS EDF Jet 64mm F A-18 Hornet is a thrilling scale jet that combines the iconic look of a fighter aircraft with easy-to-fly electric ducted fan performance. With a 735mm wingspan, it's powered by a 2,840 kV, 3,150 brushless motor and a 64mm 12-blade EDF, paired with a 40 AESC already installed, giving it fast, responsive, and lively flight right out of the box. Designed for intermediate flyers, this jet delivers an exciting flying experience without being overly complicated. Its detailed EPO airframe features realistic landing gear, LED navigation lights, and authentic scale accents that make it look impressive in the air and on the ground. To get flying, you'll just need a 4-channel radio, battery, and charger. Priced around $200 to $210 in PNP form, the F/A-18 Hornet offers fantastic value for anyone looking for a visually striking, high-energy jet that's fun, manageable, and ready to impress. Whether you're showing it off in the air or enjoying its maneuverability, it's a captivating choice for jet enthusiasts. The FMS-T-28 Trojan RTF, also known as the FMT-28, is a fantastic ready-to-fly micro-RC plane, perfect for beginners or anyone who wants a hassle-free flying experience. With a wingspan of 410 mm and lightweight EP foam construction, it's easy to handle and durable enough for casual flights in parks or small open fields. What makes it really beginner-friendly is that it comes fully assembled. Just unpack it, and you're ready to fly. The package includes a transmitter, battery, and charger, so you don't have to worry about buying extras. Its Holic 1 motor provides smooth and reliable power, while the 3-mode Gyro system helps stabilize the plane for easier control. The plane also includes fun features like 1-key return and stunt modes, letting you try tricks or safely bring it back with a single button. Priced around $100, it's a great value for a compact, fun, and easy-to-fly RC plane. Whether you're learning to fly or just want some casual aerial fun, the FMS-T-28 Trojan makes flying simple, safe, and enjoyable. The Freewing Zeus 45NT turbine sport jet is a thrilling choice for RC pilots who want the real turbine experience in a sleek sport jet. Built from durable reinforced EPO with ABS components, this jet is lightweight yet tough, designed to handle the power of turbines like the Sukhoi X-45, X-60 or King K-30, K-45. It comes with a pre-installed dual fuel tank system, making long flights easier and more reliable. The retractable landing gear with ABS brakes, LED lights, and an integrated 6-axis gyro give you smooth control both in the air and on the ground, making it perfect for high-performance flying. With a 1,200 mm wingspan and a balanced weight of around 3,570 grams, the Zeus 45NT combines impressive scale presence with agile handling. Pilots will love its realistic jet thrust and extended flight endurance, giving the sensation of flying a real turbine jet. The turbine-ready ARF kit costs around $860, excluding the turbine engine and radio gear, making it a fantastic option for hobbyists looking to take their RC flying to the next level. The Hobbyzone E-Flight UMX Viper 30mm EDF is a thrilling RC jet that strikes a perfect balance between fun and performance, ideal for intermediate pilots. It's powered by a 30mm electric ducted fan and a brushless outrunner motor compatible with 4S batteries, giving it snappy acceleration and responsive handling. Despite its compact 530mm wingspan, it's capable of agile maneuvers, making it perfect for smaller flying fields. Thanks to AS3X stabilization technology, the UMX Viper feels steady and precise in the air, while optional Safe Select flight envelope protection helps prevent accidents, making aerobatics and sport flying more approachable. This bind-and-fly model comes ready with the receiver, servos, and ESC, so you can get airborne quickly, but you'll need a 5+ channel Spectrum transmitter and a 4S LiPo battery to complete the setup. At around $200, the UMX Viper delivers high-performance jet action without the size, complexity, or cost of larger models. It's a fantastic option for pilots who want the excitement of a full-scale EDF jet in a compact, easy-to-fly package. The Hobbyzone E-Flight UMX Viper 30mm EDF is a thrilling RC jet that strikes a perfect balance between fun and performance, ideal for intermediate pilots. It's powered by a 30mm electric ducted fan and a brushless outrunner motor compatible with 4S batteries, giving it snappy acceleration and responsive handling. Despite its compact 530mm wingspan, it's capable of agile maneuvers, making it perfect for smaller flying fields. Thanks to AS3X stabilization technology, the UMX Viper feels steady and precise in the air, while optional Safe Select flight envelope protection helps prevent accidents, making aerobatics and sport flying more approachable. This bind-and-fly model comes ready with the receiver, servos, and ESC, so you can get airborne quickly, but you'll need a 5+ channel Spectrum transmitter and a 4S LiPo battery to complete the setup. At around $200, the UMX Viper delivers high-performance jet action without the size, complexity, or cost of larger models. It's a fantastic option for pilots who want the excitement of a full-scale EDF jet in a compact, easy-to-fly package.